Okay, so today I'm gonna look at this Hertz Tesla thing, right? So what happened is Hertz is this company which gives you car on rent, four wheelers on rent to drive, right? Like we have Zoom car in India, Zoom car, right? So that's the business model. So nothing special or anything. So what happened is these guys were bankrupt. These guys filed for bankruptcy in 2020, right? So, so what they have done is they have stuck a deal with Tesla to buy 100,000 Model 3s and I'm not sure, like mixed values of mixed models of Teslas. And this revenue is of 4 billion, 4.2 billion. So uh, 4.2 billion, right? And they are buying around 100,000 cars. So 4 billion by 100,000 is, you know, 42,000 US dollars. So that's the retail price of Tesla Model 3. So what I know is they're not giving it at any discount. Okay. So they're going to buy it, not even lease it, right? They're absolutely buying it. And yeah, so what happened is the stock price went up for both the companies. Now it's falling. Today it's 26th October 2021. So if I see the previous day's chart, it's just a basic chart. Nothing. Yeah. So from 15 to $25, right? Not sure. So so I just want to give you a standard chart. Right? So this is what it has been. This is 1 month, 5 days. Yeah. So this is quite clear. So how it's been jumping. So Hertz is just going up. So they have filed for bankruptcy. I already told you. Okay. So yeah. So let's look at some tweets. So March 2021, two investment firms had agreed to pay a combined exact 4.2 billion to buy Hertz and take it out of bankruptcy. And then the same Hertz goes and buys 100,000 Tesla cars. Okay, so there has been I've heard I read somewhere that it was Fidelity. Okay, let me see if it's here. Meanwhile, okay, this I'll come to next. Yeah. So Hertz is said to build its own charging network in addition to Tesla. So they are buying 100,000 Teslas, and Tesla is going to use their own supercharger network, which is massive across the US. US supercharger map. Yeah. So this is quite. You can. I link this MKBHD's video on how they went from their studio somewhere in New York to all the way to Niagara Falls and back. So they had a comparison between the one Tesla, another one was Mackie, Mustang's Mackie, the electric SUV, and the third one was Audi Q5, which was a standard gasoline. So they had a competition, and it was obviously, and it consisted of a 2 day or 3 day trip. And what they had was They would time the entire round trip. So the results you can guess. Uh, Pause it, think, and let me know in the comments. So what happened was Tesla 1 was the first, like the quickest one to win. The second one was the uh no the quickest one was the gasoline one, obviously. Second one was Tesla, and third came the Mach-E. So the Tesla has a awesome supercharger network, right, across the states. This is one thing, right? Okay. So Tesla stock hit 1,000 as well. So now it's falling today, but before that it just went up and up and up. So I think there had been some insider news over here, so about this Hertz thing. So this is obviously generating sales for them. Order book is going up. So yeah, so this was an insider tip, I guess, and it consolidated, and then this raise was due to this news. So Hertz also has been going up. Uh, okay. So Hertz said they are going to build a supercharging network of their own. So that's good. Electrifying America again. And what else? So they would come out of bankruptcy. Why? Because see now they are having some promotion sales, like the charging for these Tesla vehicles would be on Hertz. Hertz will be paying for them, so charging is absolutely free of cost. And if you look at this pricing, so it's just $10 more than the next one, right? So it's just 10% more. So that shouldn't be a good thing, good. I mean, not much expensive. So and the EV craze is already there, so they can people will this is the same, right? If you pay at that time and if you pay later on dinner, that's almost the same. So yeah. So this is going to sell like mad. Not literally sell, but they're going to have some good revenue out there. Charging and all. Mm, yeah, so this is a good thing. Tesla and Elon Musk's net worth hit $260 billion. Elon Musk is yeah, so he made 36 billion one a day. To real time is 220. Okay, so his net worth even crossed the combination of Jeff Bezos and Warren Buffett together. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to talk is Elon Musk. Okay, so Biden is coming up with his Build Back Better agenda. So what that means is what you're seeing on the screen. So they are going to tax your unrealized capital gains. So this is a simple explanation if you don't know. So if you buy a stock for some value and it goes up and then again it falls down. So you have to pay the tax on the profit made. So okay, so this also is yeah. So tax is levied on crypto gains as well, which is volatile. If you look at Shiba Inu coin, it has gone up by 49 million percentage in last 1 year. So you'll be paying tax on that if you haven't even sold it before. I guess there'll be, financial year brackets, but still, if you don't sell, you have to keep on paying taxes, which is pathetic. So this concept will literally bankrupt people. Yes, absolutely agree. Not political, but this is plain stupid. Right? Imagine that you forgot six zeros. So six zeros. So it's $1 trillion. It goes up to 5 trillion. Then comes back to 1 trillion. So you have to pay 4 trillion in taxes for nothing. Like 4 trillion will be taxable income for you for that financial year. So I don't know how it will be. Will it be quarter on quarter calculation or year on year? There's a lot to be coming out. Yeah, and also this goes to on all assets, right? So if your home value goes up by 10% in a year, you have to pay tax on that, even if you haven't sold the house. You know, so you're paying tax for nothing. So I don't think how like I have no idea how that will work, but that's not just fair. Taxing something which you don't have. One tweet read that can I claim, US gives tax credits if you have a child. So a tweet goes like, can I claim tax benefits on unrealized kids? So that's how it goes. So that's plain stupid, you know. So this is what happened. Okay, so Model 3 price. Yeah, it's a 42,000, right? Okay, standard range. Okay, something is under the hood. Something is going on. Or maybe I don't know. The ad blocker blocked it maybe. Mm. Yeah, so it's about 40,000. So mm. So yeah, good sales for both of the party. Mm. Tesla, of course, no doubt. But yes, $50 clean fuel reward California is good. Yeah, so Hertz is okay. This is looking at their quarterly results. Revenue up. See the Hertz actually, if you see, they're just making revenues, but the thing is, it's not profitable. The company has been making losses. They have been improving, but they gave up, and now they're trying to get back with this strategy. So operating income, then tax, after everything, their net income from continuing operations. See, they have been making losses. What is the latest? Yeah. So trailing 12 months. Well, yeah, so they have been, yeah, this one I was talking. So they have a good revenue, but their earnings, they're just going in losses. So it's about so I think all these figures are in thousands. Yeah. So 1.7 billion, 1 point, yeah, so 1.7 billion. So I think this could be a good reverser or of some sort. At least they'll hold on for now. For a year or two, they should be able to generate back their profits, at least some some of it. and I want to see if they have any debts. They should. Oh my God, it's $5 billion in debt. So okay, so yeah, yeah, the main problem was on this debt, right? So they were not able to. Sorry, yeah, they're not able to go back and pay the debt. So that's why they declared bankruptcy. But I think they should be good. The Tesla thing, they'll be saving on charges, and the fuel costs are going up in US as well. So I think they should be good.